So, previously Nikola Tesla was born in Croatia. He has 7 sisters and brother. He died in the USA when he was 87 in poor condition. He discovered the one-way electricity and the alternative creations, which famous for the fight between Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison. This fight was called Creation War. Edison fight that condition current was between and Nikola Tesla the opposite.
Hi, I'm Claire. Follow me, please. Okay, step 1, we took the notice for and help to build the lamp. We scooped the component number 24 with the second component. We did like a mechanic thing with the round components number 3, 5, and 6, and 4. Step 2, for the motherboard, we've put together the
Okay, you have to go.
Oh, sorry, I have to go. Goodbye!
Sorry, but she had to leave. So for the motherboard, we put together the electronic devices like LEDs, the alternator, and the button. We did it by weighting the components. For the third step, we joined energy components of the lamp and it worked. When we turn around the alternator, that's and mechanic energy, and after that make electricity energy.
Hi! During our trip in Serbia, we had to make a lamp like Nikola Tesla did. We were shared in different groups. There are Mateja, Bojana, Clara and Loring in ours. In this video, we are going to talk about the different steps in order to build a lamp. At first, we are going to talk about Nikola Tesla. Then we are going to explain how we made the lamp with the physics involved in this process.